Alright, you join me once again in the parking lot of a high point, that being Campbell Hill. In fact, the high point is right there. But right now, I am leaving and heading west towards the highest point in the state of Indiana. I believe it's called Hoosier Hill. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Hoosier. I apologize if I butcher that for this video. But yeah, I'm really hoping that it's better than this one. I think it is from what I've seen. In fact, I think it had some recent renovations done to it that just make it look nicer. So I'm really curious to see what it looks like now. But fixing it the road, probably like an hour and a half away. Not too bad at all. So it's kind of cool to do a quick boom high points this morning. So I will see y'all when we get to the highest point in the state of Indiana. All right, made it to Hoosier Hill, the highest point in the state of Indiana. It's this nice little spot in this just farmland, and this just tiny little pull out in this little trail, and here we are. This is really neat. I like this. Seems like they have it all here. They got the high pointers bench. They have a nice cool custom marker signifying the high point, elevation 1,257 feet. And then, of course, they have the high point registration. They have the whole shebang for this tiny little, just nice little spot. This is super cool. We've already had 2 people come and go today. So we're the 3rd person here today. We're the first at Campbell Hill, but the 3rd here. Mine is nice and pink to stand out. It's kind of funny that this is the highest point. I mean, one of those high points where you just kind of have to take the word on the experts. So, I mean, well, yeah, this little spot is definitely higher than anything right here. We're not like sticking up above it or anything. Like, how do we know that curvature in that dude's farm doesn't reach higher? I don't know. They have this nice, quaint little trail. I guess it just goes around the line here. But man, I mean, much better than Ohio's. Even though it's about 300 feet shorter, it is much better. I just love the environment. I can't get over how cool this is. Markers right here, this big rock, that signifies 30 down, 20 more to go. This is a very cool high point for high point number 30. I'm happy that this one was the 30 marker for me. This is so cool, such a cool place. I actually really like it here. This is a very cool place to just chill and hang out. It's quiet. It's just farmland for miles. There's no one here. It's just nice. It's very nice. Not bad for a little double-decker high point for this morning. It might be the last time I ever do a double-decker. Maybe. We'll see what the future holds. At least for, you know, ones I haven't been to yet. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today's high point video. Honestly, I really enjoyed this one. I knew what it was. I knew it wasn't something grandiose, but it's something cool. It's private, it's tucked away. It is just nice. They really made it as nice as it can be for a high point of this stature. That's gonna be it. I do have one more high point planned for this trip, so that'll be in, yeah, I hit that tomorrow. Wow. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.